In this video we are going to show you how to troubleshoot problem with the no AM FM radio in a BMW 645 convertible. It's a 2004, and this is the trunk of the BMW. And this is a common problem with this car, that the AM FM does not work, and 50% at a time the problem could be in the antenna connector or the amplifier for the antenna in the trunk. And to check it out, you just remove the cover in the trunk. You just remove all the pins over here. You can take the cover off. I already removed everything. And here is the antenna amplifier, and this is the antenna connector which goes to the front of the car. If you want to check to see if your amplifier is good or not, you can just disconnect this connector from the amplifier. And so this cable goes straight to the CCC unit, to the radio. So if there is any issue with your amplifier or the antenna here, if you just hook up a single wire right to the center of this pin, like about 6 feet long, and then if there is any issue with this amplifier or the antenna connector, you're going to have an AM FM working, as long as the problem is in the amplifier. But if you do that one and then still no AM FM, then you should look for follow this wire all the way, which goes through this tube, and it goes down here. And as you can see, this is the extension coming out. So in this vehicle, the harness or the cable for the antenna, it was completely disconnected, cut off here, because the door opens up and closes constantly, so it caused the coax cable to get ripped off. So what you need to do, you have to follow this wire, push it through this flexible, and then you need to resolder back this wire to the extension which goes to the front of the car, goes to the CCC unit. And that's the common issue. This cable get torn up here.